What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're finally starting to see some pullback after we pushed up into our resistance zone. We're sitting at 0.033, down 14%. In the last 24 hours, seeing market cap 1.22 billion, 24-hour volume for 11 million. So if we pop into the chart, we push right up into our resistance zone, seeing a pretty strong rejection. So likely this was all a wave one. Now you're going to pull back in a wave two in between 0.01956 and 0.02762. Honestly, this is nothing compared to the type of dumps and pullbacks we'll see in the bull market. If you can't handle it, then crypto's not for you. Just part of the game, guys. You see a nice impulse to the upside, you pull back, and then you push up again, and you climb the stairs. So that's what we're looking at for our friend Gala Games. We hit our technical target of our inverse head and shoulders, so we come back to retest this area of support. Let me just drop in a yellow zone for you guys. Yeah, so we come back down, little retest of this area. This is what I think is likely, in between about 0.3 and 0.26. Incredible opportunity to buy the dip, in my opinion. Come back to that level of support before continuation back to the upside. That's what I'm looking at for our friend Gala Games. As you can see, it lines up pretty closely with that pullback zone. Will we come all the way down to 0.019? It's possible. I don't think it's likely. Either bounce off the 50%, the 61.8, or maybe even the earliest target, which is the 38.2, the minimum target at 0.03. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN. What the hell is this? No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees, up to $5,500 in bonuses. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, send me an email, give you completely free access, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. All links down below. Go smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. Sign up to BITUNIX, send me an email, take you 30 seconds. Definitely worthwhile. All links down below. Take care. Much love.